What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back at it with another video, man. You read the title, you already know what we're talking about today, and it's gonna be a review over the Air Jordan 1 Low SB UNCs, man. Check them out right here. These released August the 12th on a Monday, which is very unheard of when he's speaking about Jordan releases. Lately, they've been hitting us with releases on Mondays, Thursdays, Fridays. It don't even matter what Jordan right now. They dropping the shoes, they getting their money whenever they can. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Ring notification bell for your boys to never miss another video, live stream, anything that drops on the channel, you will get notified. And follow me over on Instagram at DaVintage World, man. Before we get into it as well, go subscribe to my boy DaRetroWizKid for blessing me with this review for you guys. I got like 2 video ideas I want to do for this shoe, so I'm gonna try to soak it up. I'm gonna try to get as much content out of this shoe as I can. So right now, subscribe to DaRetroWizKid. So let's get right into this review over these UNCs, man. Let's get it. All right, check it out right here. Here goes the box, man. You got like this kind of canvasy looking paper on the inside. You also got an extra pair of UNC blue laces right here. To me personally, I like the white laces. I like how it contrasts with the white laces. I feel like the blue, it'd be too much of that UNC around the shoe, man. So keep the white laces. That's my personal preference, and that is my advice to you guys. You see it right here. You got a Nike split box, Nike SB. You got the turquoise over here. You got the black over here, and of course you got the Nike swoosh SB. And yeah, check out the whole box. Got Nike SB over here. Let me turn the brightness down for you guys so you can check it out. You got Nike SB over here. Got a couple of trademarks over here. And the official colorway is dark powder blue and dark powder blue. Yeah, that's it. They retail for $110. Like I said, they released in a couple of skate shops out here in San Antonio, and they released on the SNKRs app on Monday, August the 12th. Yeah, 110 bucks, man. Nike SB Air Jordan 1 Low Quick Strike. Check it out right there. So yeah, right now, before we get too deep into it, man, let me know right now if you was able to hit on this pair. I know a lot of people took L's on this. I was actually about to get a pair at this sneaker event that I was at on a Sunday. I think it was a Sunday before the shoes released. They had them for like $230, and I passed up on that. Then I had them on StockX going for like $250, and then after the shoe release, they jumped all the way up to $300 something. So I was like, this might be a shoe that I'm gonna have to wait on, maybe one of those grail pickups. But like I said, these ones been catching a lot of people's eyes lately, and a lot of people is liking lows now. I'm pretty sure it's because of those shoes up there, as you can see. Y'all see them right there. The Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott. After those released, the lows been doing a couple of numbers, man. You got the metallic golds to drop, the bread toe, like all the OG colorways are dropping in the lows. And now I see a lot of people going back and getting lows, man. So hopefully we get the highs here soon. Y'all know that the bread ones, the original high OG, supposed to be releasing, I think it's November or December, one of the two. So your boy will be going after those, because that is like my ultimate grill. I don't know why I don't got a pair of breads yet. All the shoes I done bought, I still don't have a pair of bread ones. Please do not dag me. That's why I say I'm not a sneaker collector, man. I'm not a sneakerhead. I just like buying shoes. Boy, if you don't get. But here we have it, Air Jordan 1 Low SB. You got it right here, white side panel. You got that UNC powder blue Nike swoosh. No crazy leather on this shoe, to be honest. And on the back, you got the Air Jordan 1 Wings logo with some nice leather on the back. It's not crazy, like I said, but it is nice. It's not like the bread toe 1 Lows, which I'm gonna pull out real quick so kind of compare the different qualities for you guys. On the inside of the shoe, of course, you got the same powder blue UNC Nike swoosh right here. Same type of leather material on the inner side of the shoe. And then wrapping around to the toe box, you have like, this is where I really want to get the black toe 1 Lows real quick to compare the quality for you guys. All right, check it out. I'm gonna hit you guys with B-roll, but as you can see, they hit us like a new book material on the black toe 1 Lows, and the quality on the toe box of the UNCs is way softer than the leather quality on the black toes. I don't know why. I don't know if it was because it was like a quick strike, they threw better quality on the UNCs, but this one right here, I'm gonna hit you with B-roll so you can see this leather on the UNCs is shit on the black toes that we got. That was a regular release. And now looking at both of the shoes, you can kind of tell, well, I can tell the differences. You know, you got the Wings logo at the bottom heel of the shoe, and on the UNCs, we got it on the upper heel of this Air Jordan 1 Low. So they did this with the Travis Scott 1 Lows as well. They put the Wings logo on the top rather than the regular releases we got of the lows, like these, the metallic golds. All of it is at the bottom half of the shoe. Let me grab the Travis Scott lows real quick. So there you have it. You can see the Wings logo on the upper heel of the Travis Scott ones and the UNC ones right here. And of course on the black toes, we have it on the lower part. And you can tell the differences in between these shoes. You already know that the Quick Strike UNCs and the Travis Scott leather quality, shoe quality is gonna be better than these. They didn't throw any hype towards these. It wasn't a quick strike. It was just like a regular release, and like these shoes are flooding the market, and everybody can grab them a pair of lows, man. Like I said, everybody's going back and grabbing these lows. I think it's because, you know what I'm saying, we've seen these release, the Travis Scott ones and the UNCs. That was a quick strike, and that was a collaboration with SB, man. Another low right here, as you can see with the wings low at the bottom half of the heel, is the metallic golds right here. So just to kind of compare the different qualities we get, to compare the different style of shoe we get, it's plain what we see, man. So they really don't care about the regular lows, but when they throw it with a collaboration or SB, stuff like that, we're gonna get some better quality in the leather and all around aspects of the shoe. On the outsole, he did do an on feet, so if you do want to check out an on feet over the UNC one lows, go check out DaRetroWizKid's video. He just dropped it a couple days ago. And yeah, powder blue on the outsole, of course, same traction pad, of course, on the ones that we get. And on the tongue, as you can see, we got Nike, swoosh, and SB at the bottom half of it. And on the inner of the tongue, we got Eric, I don't know how to say his last name, Eric Costone, as you can see right here. Check it out. I'll hit you guys a B-roll so you can see a better look of his name on the inner of the tongue. And we got regular shoe trees on this shoe, cardboard shoe trees, and Nike SB on the inside of the insole. All powder blue on the inside as well, man. And also behind his name, you got $24.99. Watching the DaRetroWizKid video, giving a little bit of knowledge that this shoe was sitting in the store, and it was on sale for $24.99, and his mom said he couldn't get it, something like that, something along those lines. And he decided to put this on his shoe since he got a collab with Jordan brand. And yeah, look, it looks something different. Different touches give shoes different sparks, give it different aspects of it, and give it more value, I feel like. And just putting the $24.99 is probably why the shoes are going for over $300 right now on StockX. All right, that is it from our review over the Air Jordan 1 Low UNC SB collaboration. I appreciate DaRetroWizKid for sending this pair over to your boy so I can review them for my subscribers. Make sure I go give him a subscribe on his channel. Like the video. You know the goal for every video is 100 likes. So right now, if you have not liked the video, you're doing something wrong. Hit the like button. Follow me over on Instagram at DaVintage World, man. The link will be in the description box below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.